Hey everyone, it's Kyle at Great Vacs. In today's video we're going to show you how to quickly change out a belt and a brush roll on a 7000. This video is going to work from the 6000 model all the way up to the 9000. Alright, let's get started. Tools needed is just a simple Phillips screwdriver. So to remove the brush roll and the belt, you need to access the underside of the vacuum. To do that, there's a foot release pedal. Press that down, drop the vacuum, flip it over. You should be at this point and you're ready to go. There's these two screws. So let's take your Phillips screwdriver and take them out all the way. Set them to the side because you don't want to lose them, because you're going to need them to put the metal bottom plate back on. So just take them out all the way. Set them to the side in a safe location. Now that the screws are out, you're ready to take this metal bottom piece out. Just lifts up and just comes off like that. Super easy. Now you have the brush roll and the belt exposed. While you're in here, check for any clogs, like up in this orange funnel to the gray tube. You could also remove any clumps of dirt under the brush roll. To remove the belt, you're going to have this flap that protects the motor shaft, so lift it up. Use your fingers to slide the belt off, like so. And then there's this metal C-piece, to simply remove it. Remember, the longer end goes in the back, like so. And then once you have the belt off, you can just take the brush roll out. And then you're ready to put the new brush roll in with the new belt. So just take the belt. I like to install the belt first, it's a little easier to get on. So just kind of slide over the motor shaft. And don't forget to drop this plastic flat piece, because if you don't, you got the metal piece back on, this is going to break off, or your vacuum's not going to be working properly. So make sure you just drop that down. Once you got the belt on, take your brush roll, slide the belt over it, and then the belt should be lined properly, and you're good to just pop the brush roll into place. Once you have it in place, just take your fingers and just move the brush roll a couple rotations. That way the belt gets aligned properly. Then once that's done, you're all good. You can just take your metal C-piece, put that back into place. There you go, like so. Then you're going to take your metal bottom plate and simply just put it back on. Take your screws, and when you're tightening the screws, you just want them snug, because if you tighten them too hard, you're going to break these plastic locking mechanisms. So just make them snug. Then once you got the screws all snug, you successfully changed out a belt and a brush roll on a Prolux upright model. I hope that video was helpful and you're able to fix your vacuum on your own. If you need any parts such as brush roll, belts, bags, HEPA filters, or a filter for 6000 for your Prolux upright models, we got them. Links for purchase will be in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay up to date with all our new videos. Great Vacs is the only authorized Prolux dealer, so if you need it, we got it. What are your thoughts on the upright models from Prolux? Go ahead and leave a comment down below, and as always, thanks for watching.